app is called The Interaction of Color by Joseph Alberts. And it is a free app, and it's got some good stuff in it. It talks about how to blend colors. So what they'll do is on your screen, for example, this is a gray frame, and they'll have one color and another color, and this is the color it would be if this color was overlaid on top of that color and it was transparent. So you can see how the color changes by blending the two colors. It also, the app has a fabulous range of variations of a color. So you can see what would happen if you start blending this blue onto this. You could actually touch it and it will show you how every single one of these slits changes color with the introduction of the blue or the purple or any color you choose. I really like that it has a lot of explanations. It doesn't just it doesn't just show you what they're doing, it explains why they're doing. Now it is a little dry reading. It's very much a college level textbook. But if you have an honest question on why a light or a color changes in certain circumstances, it explains it so there's no way you could not know. It also has excellent ways of placing color on top of each other. Again, it shows your blendings here. But it has a section where you can take, see this little one, where you have a yellow, and then you have the yellow with the blacks, and you can compare the two colors and see how they are the same or they're different. When I was involved in color theory class in college, we would spend weeks physically taking different colors and having to try and find how they change in lighting situations, where with this program you can see instantly what happens and understand it. Here's another example. This is the man who designed the app, by the way, and wrote the text. But you can tell how we have 4 different colors here, and this is the same pattern of hues here, but they're blue, of course, versus red. You can see if we added white to this, or yellow to this, or more red to this, so it's like a pattern. This is the same situation. And then they show you, if you superimpose them on top of each other, how similar they are. These are considered complementary colors because they work together in the same pattern, but they're completely different shades. It's a very good app, and especially for a free one. Again, it's a little dry at times, especially in the text, but there are hundreds and hundreds of things you can use it for. Now you can upgrade the app to give you more text reading and more choices of how to use the app, which I suggest if you are going to do some heavy color theory, especially if you become a painter. But just for something to learn the basics, fabulous thing to get.